The SEC lawsuit is just an instrument that is giving institutions and the Wall Street further opportunities to buy XRP at such cheap prices. Yes, the SEC has appealed on Ripple's case, and in this video I'm going to break down what that really means for XRP and you should be concerned as an investor. I just want to point out two things before we get started with the video itself. First, yes, I am a few days later, but for a good reason. I wanted to wait a few days so that I would not make an emotional judgment of the situation, and I hope I'm going to be able to present you with this perspective. And second, yes, I do have some copper here. I use copper to heal, and I had recently an injury around my shoulder, and copper helps me to actually fight the inflammation. So yes, if you see this strange thing on my arm, that's copper. Now let's get started. So first, the most relevant information you need to know is that the SEC is not appealing the status of XRP not being a security. Okay, it's over. The video is closed here. See you in the next video. Bye. Well, that was actually a joke, even though, yes, that's the most important thing on the entire lawsuit. And as a matter of law, that cannot be changed. Now, what this really means for XRP, well, we might have another 2 years ahead of allowing institutions to further manipulate XRP price. And that's what this lawsuit is about since day one. Let me clarify. When they first filed the lawsuit against Ripple, XRP price has dropped below 20 cents on the first day. And then the bottom was probably around 17 cents. On this day, large wallets were accumulating large sums of XRP, while retail investors were getting scared and were selling. Most of them were selling in a loss because they were believing XRP would disappear. That would be the end for the digital asset XRP. That didn't happen. And just a few weeks later, actually, just a few months from this huge price manipulation caused by the SEC lawsuit, which didn't protect investors at all, we did have an increase in XRP price, and XRP has almost reached $2. Yes, it has been outperformed by other assets, but that's nearly a 1,000% increase in XRP's price. And that's 100% caused by market makers. So there is a lot of manipulation, trading boots, which are fully operating, and there's a lot of people who are benefiting from the SEC lawsuit against Ripple because we have insiders, people who have access to privileged information, just like when the SEC website was actually hacked and suddenly they were actually releasing fake news about an XRP ETF, and then price was actually rising and then dumping because of the news, This market is highly manipulated. XRP without regulatory clarity has spiked to almost $2, and we didn't even know if XRP was a security or not. It was just the beginning of the SEC saga against Ripple. Why would XRP price increase 1,000x? Why would the big wallets be accumulating XRP while retail were actually selling in losses? The SEC lawsuit is just an instrument that is giving institutions and the Wall Street further opportunities to buy XRP at such cheap prices. What I have been doing during these years? You can guess. I have been doing what they are doing and not what they are telling. In other words, I have been patiently accumulating XRP at low prices. Started buying when it was 17 cents. And then I just added up to my positions. It has been a long journey. But understand, XRP is the blood of the new financial system. Now, the fact that the SEC is appealing Judge Torres' decisions, if you don't have enough XRP, that should be your blessing right there. Likely, you have the opportunity to accumulate XRP at very cheap prices. On the other hand, the development continues. The adoption of XRP is expanding. BRICS nations are actually embracing Ripple's technology. More countries are using on-demand liquidity. Central banks from all around the world are actually teaming up with Ripple to build CBDC solutions for countries, either they are from BRICS nations, G7. Ripple is everywhere. What are you going to do? You're going to sell your XRP? Because the SEC has decided to appeal in what is known as the greatest political theater of the century. I'm not even wasting my time going on the details. I did that in the past. That was a huge mistake. I didn't benefit at all from investigating the SEC lawsuit and reading it. That's just nonsense. I hope that clarifies what I do think about the SEC lawsuit. I'm not even paying attention anymore. Just noise. Honestly, focus on the adoption and embrace this price correction that XRP has been through. And I actually told you in my videos, if you watched my previous videos, I have been calling for a possible correction. These markets are extremely unpredictable. And the fact that you are trying to time the market, watching other YouTubers with technical analysis, or actually for looking for clues on David's lunch, that's not working out. They control the markets. I'm telling you, look at the charts. XRP is the most manipulated chart I have ever seen. That's the chosen currency, and there is a reason why the SEC lawsuit is against Ripple. They have not chosen Ethereum. They didn't pick up other coins that had an IPO. Why do you think they are picking up on XRP? Wake up. The day the SEC lawsuit was filed against Ripple is the day I bought my largest XRP bags, and I will continue to buy. Don't wait to buy XRP. Buy XRP and wait and diversify your portfolio so that you're going to succeed on the long term. So these are my thoughts about the SEC lawsuits. Thank you, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video.